Hello everyone, welcome back to another crafty decor party. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree Christmas decor crafts. So crafting is so good for your soul, you guys. And if you love to crazy craft like me, definitely check out the rest of the episodes in my huge I Love Christmas series. We also did over 100 Dollar Tree DIYs in my huge I Love Fall series. I'm gonna link the playlist down in the description box below for you guys to get totally inspired and jam out on tons of crafting and decorating. So without further ado, plug in your glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting! I found this wreath on the Pier 1 website. It was $59.99 and I just knew that we could replicate it using some Dollar Tree supplies. So I'm starting out with this Dollar Tree wire wreath form and I'm just going to wrap it with some of this white scrap ribbon. I've also done a similar wreath like this and you can use the Dollar Tree automotive cloth as well if you don't have any white ribbon. I found this at the thrift store. And then I'm taking some ornaments that have been used multiple times and I'm just going to hot glue them to the center wire part of the wreath form. Again, don't worry about the hot glue showing because we're going to use some bling wrap to wrap in and around the ornaments to kind of hide any of your work. So I ended up using about 2 sets of ornaments. I believe they come 10 to a pack and these are kind of this champagne gold color, but you guys can use whatever ornaments you love. So here is how it should look once you get the first 2 rows glued on. And I just glued the first 2 top rows. And then I'm taking some bling wrap. I got this at totallydazzled.com and I will leave a link down below for you guys. So I'm just going to hot glue the end of the bling wrap, and also you guys check the Dollar Tree crafts section because they do have bling wrap as well. So I'm just going to hot glue in between the ornaments, and this is really going to begin to hold those ornaments together even more. And I am using a high temp hot glue gun. I've tried to do this before with the low temp glue gun and it's kind of tricky. Just be careful, try not to burn yourself. And then I'm taking the bling wrap and I'm looping it through this bottom part. And then I'm going to take some of my smaller Dollar Tree ornaments, and these are just little white ones, but just use whatever you guys have on hand, which is kind of what I did. And then I'm using some of the Dollar Tree mini ornaments. And then I just looked in my craft stash. I had these little silver clips. You can also find these in the Dollar Tree ornament section, the little clips. And then Dollar Tree also sells like little gold party beads. These I found at a thrift store, but I'm going to use these beads to really hide some more of my gluey work. So you're just going to hot glue them and kind of wrap them in and around the ornaments. This really is an extra step, but it makes it look so gorgeous. And also thank you guys if you have some little strands of pearls in your craft stash, which I know they sell at Hobby Lobby. I've also found them at my thrift store. That would look really pretty as well. I just grabbed the gold because this is kind of what I had on hand, and so I'm just going for it with this. But you're just going to hot glue in between all of the ornaments, and this should get everything on there really nice and secure. And then I'm going to go in with these pretty totallydazzled.com little jewels. They sent me a pack of jewels and they're really inexpensive. They're about $1.50 each for a whole pack. I think $15 for about a pack of 10. So anyway, I added a couple of jewels, but also think about scrap jewelry that you have, maybe a broken earring or just some little scrap bling you could pop into this. And I'm absolutely over the moon in love with this. To be honest with you, I think we may have done even better than the Pier 1 wreath. Let me know what you guys think. This one was super fun to make. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to be doing a repaint on this Happy Holidays Santa sign. I think this Santa is really cute, but I wanted to share with you guys how you could really glam him up and make him more of a neutral Santa. So I'm just going in with some white chalk paint and I'm going to chalk paint everything on him that is red. And this only took about 1 coat. So once I had everything pretty much painted the color that I wanted, I went in with some Mod Podge and I just Mod Podged over the white paint to kind of keep it on there a little bit better, but also to add some glitter. You guys know I love my extra sparkle and shine. Now, of course, this step is optional, but I just really thought Santa needed that extra kick it up a notch. And so here's how it should look if you go ahead and add some glitter. I just used some glitter from Walmart. And then here is some blush pink apple barrel craft paint that I got at Walmart. And I'm just going to go in and paint his little poinsettia flower this pretty pale pink. Now think about this, you guys. Paint the little flower or the little accent pieces on this sign, whatever colors that you're using for your holiday decor. And you could even make Santa pink with a pink Santa suit. I was just going kind of more for neutral with this one. I want him to fit into pretty much any decor that I have, so I wanted to really glam him up, and so I added some hot glue and then some bling wrap to his little belt, and then I added a little sparkling jewel. Again, I got these at totallydazzled.com. I'll leave the link below for you guys. And then I forgot about the little holly berry up top, and I decided to add some glam bling to the holly berry and also to the center of the poinsettia. And then I just used some bling glam wrap to hang with. So I just kind of pushed that through either little spot and then hot glued it to the back. And I think he came out absolutely so adorable. I think this was a great repaint. Comment and let me know if you guys are going to be doing any repaints with this sign. And if so, what colors do you think would have been absolutely adorable for this Santa? I think he's looking super fabulous for this though. Okay, so for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I actually had this Santa left over from a couple of years ago. Dollar Tree sells these Santas and they do have white Santas. They sell out really fast, so I decided just to chalk paint his hat, and then I added some Mod Podge and some more glitter to the top. And then I took one of those little Dollar Tree bows and I just clipped it onto his hat where I cut the holly leaf off. I added a little bit of hot glue just to kind of secure it on there a little bit better. And then of course I couldn't resist adding some junk jewelry to the center of the bow, you know, just because he needs that extra razzle dazzle for this glam setting. And how cute does this Santa look? This is definitely something you would see in more of a high-end boutique store, and secret, it only cost us a couple dollars to make. I have him sitting on top of a cup, but he would be great for a Christmas tree. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to create kind of Victorian style kissing ball with the large Dollar Tree gold ornament. And so I'm just taking some of this thrift store ribbon and I'm running the hot glue down one side and then pulling the ribbon over and then running it down the other side and then adding ribbon to that side. So basically what you want to do is you want to crisscross your ribbon, and then you guys can add whatever embellishments you love. I decided to add some bling wrap to this and then also some little greenery and jewels to the top. Now my footage cut out on the finishing of this, but I will do another one for you guys, I promise. But this is how the end product looked. I just added the bling wrap, you guys can see, to the center of that first pink ribbon, some greenery, and then some little cute loops to the top. And then Dollar Tree sells those pearls, so definitely grab some of those, and then just some little junk jewelry brooches. I think it comes out fabulous, and I will be needing to hang this kissing ball so I can catch Mr. Romantic. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, we're going to do super glam Christmas tree. I'm starting out with this little Halloween bucket that I got during the fall time that I had painted, and then I just added some styrofoam and added 2 Dollar Tree Christmas trees. They're great to just double up on. That gives them a little bit more fluff. And then I'm taking one of those Dollar Tree baby blankets and I just kind of hot glue the baby blanket around the little tin, and then I added some chalk paint around the top of the little edges of the tree. So for the next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take a strand of fairy lights. You can find these at Dollar Tree or the Target Dollar Spot. And then I'm going to take some of that sparkling glam Dollar Tree tool, and I just cut it into strips, and I'm just tying it on to the little fairy lights. And this is so fun. You guys could add all kinds of scrap fabric to this. I did want to keep this fairly just simple because I am going to be adding a lot of ornaments on top of this. I decided to go ahead and string it into my little tree. So the tree is adorable on its own. If you're going for a very simple look, you could definitely leave it as is. But of course, you guys know me. I had to go totally over the top with this and go super glam. So I'm taking the fairy lights first, and I'm just working them in and around the little tree to kind of give it just that beautiful kind of whimsical feel. And again, remember, customize this to whatever colors you're using. And then I'm taking some of that Dollar Tree, it's just gold picks, and I'm taking some of it, adding it to the top, and then I'm adding in some of those scrap ornaments, and then some beautiful Dollar Tree poinsettias that I had added some little pearls to kind of finish it off. I did have some extra gold beads, so I decided to just hot glue some of those little gold beads to the end of this beautiful Christmas tree, and I am absolutely loving how glam and sparkling and fabulous this is turning out. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous is this looking? I did add some little junk jewelry to the top, and just think about all of the little fun goodies that you have laying around that you could add into your Dollar Tree Christmas tree to really razzle dazzle it up. So here it is, going in with the Glam Pier 1 dupe wreath, which again was a bunch of scraps really that I had just kind of laying around. And then here is that beautiful little kissing ball ornament. Oh my goodness, I'm over the moon excited for this. You guys know I love to decorate with so many different themes, but I'm definitely doing kind of a rustic glam chic theme throughout my studio area, and then probably into some areas of my home. And I cannot wait to start decorating for Christmas. It's coming in my home very soon. But as always, I ask you guys to comment and let me know what is your favorite DIY in this video. I love to hear what you guys have to say about my DIYs, and I love hearing your feedback. And then definitely let me know, which ones will you guys be recreating? Which ones will you guys be trying your hand at? I just love to see all of your projects too that you guys have been posting on my Facebook group page and on Instagram. So totally, you guys keep up the good work. So to recap, here was the first series of my I Love Christmas series. We put up the Christmas tree. I shared with you guys a Dollar Tree haul, as well as this cute little snowman and wreath gnome DIY. I shared with you guys another Dollar Tree haul for Christmas crafts, and then we repurposed some pumpkins to make ornaments. I did a little candy cane themed setup with Dollar Tree supplies, as well as I did a ton of different styles of candy cane ornament wreaths. And then here we go with the little elf one I shared with you guys, and then there's my big beautiful centerpiece. I've also been sharing with you guys quite a bit of glam decor, so here was the glam video, and then here was another video where I did more of a rustic farmhouse. Here is another Dollar Tree glam. This was that beautiful garland, and then here was how I set up this Christmas tree decor. I combined everything for you in one video as well if you guys need to catch that. So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous DIY decorating adventure. Crafting is so good for your heart and soul. I encourage you guys to keep plugging in those glue guns and getting out your glitter and paint and just having a blast crafting away. If you guys are new and you love to crazy craft and decorate, definitely consider subscribing. It is totally free. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button. If you click that bell, it will notify you every time I upload a new video. And if you want to connect to some other crafty peeps out there, definitely consider joining my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. That is free as well. You guys just pop over there, request to join, and you can start sharing some of your fun DIY projects and home decor pictures. over there. I also have an Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram page where I share some condensed DIY videos, as well as behind the scenes of my little crafty mama life, and those are going to be on my Instagram story. So thank you guys again. It is such a blessing and an honor to have you all here. I'm so proud of this YouTube community because of your kindness to me that you pour into me. I try to pour kindness back to you guys, and just all of the kindness with each other. I'm just so thankful and blessed to have you all here. So thank you guys again. I'm hugging you all so tight. I'm wishing you a gorgeous, blessed day. Remember, be kind to yourself, be kind to one another. Until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.